Today, I am reviewing the NETGEAR Nighthawk Wi-Fi 7 router. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The NETGEAR Nighthawk Wi-Fi 7 BE9300 router represents a massive leap forward in home networking technology, and after putting it through rigorous testing, it is clear that we are entering a new era of wireless performance. For years, we have been told that Wi-Fi 6 and 6E were the peak of connectivity, but Wi-Fi 7 fundamentally changes the game by introducing broader channels and significantly lower latency. The Nighthawk BE9300 is one of the first consumer-grade routers to really harness this potential, offering speeds up to 9.3 gigabits per second. While those numbers might sound like overkill for a standard household, the reality is that as our homes become filled with high-definition streaming devices, smart appliances, and competitive gaming consoles, that massive overhead becomes essential for maintaining a stable and responsive environment. The first thing you notice about this specific model is the design departure. NETGEAR has moved away from the large, sprawling footprints of previous Nighthawk generations in favor of a sleek, vertical tower design. This is a much more practical choice for modern homes. It takes up very little space on a desk or shelf, yet it manages to house high-performance antennas that provide a massive coverage area of up to 2,500 square feet. In my testing, I found that the signal penetration through walls was noticeably superior to previous Wi-Fi 6 models, largely due to how Wi-Fi 7 handles data across its tri-band architecture. Because this router utilizes the 6 GHz band alongside the traditional 5 and 2.4 GHz bands, it can effectively steer traffic away from congestion. Installation is straightforward, handled entirely through the Nighthawk app, which guides you through the process of connecting it to your existing modem. It is important to remember that this is a dedicated router, so you will still need your provider's modem or a standalone unit to feed it the internet signal. The inclusion of a 2.5 gigabit internet port is a critical feature here. Many internet service providers are now offering fiber or cable plans that exceed 1 gigabit, and without a multi-gig port like the one found on this Nighthawk, you would be paying for speed that your hardware literally cannot process. This router ensures that you are actually getting every megabit you pay for from your provider. Performance in high-demand scenarios is where the BE9300 truly shines. For gaming, the reduced latency is the headline story. Wi-Fi 7 introduces features like multi-link operation, which allows devices to send and receive data across different bands simultaneously. In practical terms, this means that even if someone in the next room is streaming a 4K movie, your gaming connection remains rock solid without the micro-stutters or lag spikes that plague older wireless standards. The capacity is equally impressive, supporting up to 100 devices. In a modern smart home where everything from light bulbs to refrigerators is connected, having a router that won't buckle under the pressure of dozens of simultaneous connections is a necessity. Security is another area where NETGEAR has doubled down. The router comes with built-in security measures and includes a trial of NETGEAR Armor. This provides an extra layer of protection against hackers and malware at the network level, which is much more efficient than trying to manage individual antivirus software on every single phone, tablet, and smart device in your house. The VPN support is also a great addition for those who need secure remote access or want an extra layer of privacy for their entire home network. The NETGEAR Nighthawk Wi-Fi 7 BE9300 is more than just a speed upgrade. It is a total infrastructure improvement for your home. It is built for a future where high-resolution video conferencing, augmented reality, and massive cloud-based gaming are the norm. While Wi-Fi 7 devices are still becoming mainstream, investing in this router now means you are future-proofing your home for the next several years. It delivers on the promise of blazing fast speeds, incredible range, and the kind of rock-solid reliability that makes you forget the router even exists. It is a premium piece of networking hardware that justifies its position as a central hub for any high-tech household.